Kayseri, in the heart of Anatolia. It is a prominent institution with about 1,000 students and 49 dedicated teachers. Our school has good facilities like science labs, a library, computer labs, and a large garden.
The school fosters a holistic approach to education by organizing sport and artistic events.
School technology design classes, we are motivated to prefer recyclable and environmentally friendly materials in our project. By doing activities, we emphasize environmental awareness and sustainability. These activities help us develop cooperation and teamwork skills.
Through our club activities, we have enjoyable and beneficial experiences. Our travel club plans trips on special occasions at the end of the year. The charity club works on projects that promote social responsibility. The library club arranges book fair trips to introduce students to their favorite authors and encourage a love for reading. The vocational promotion club organizes activities to help students explore and choose future career paths.
With English as a second foreign language, our school encourages students to engage with the language through project works. We do a lot of fun activities such as English quizzes with costume party, English drama nights, and English treasure hunts with song competitions.
We play basketball and volleyball in the break time and have football tournament after school. Also, we learn to play in sand and water in the exercise organized by our music teacher outside of regular school hours. And we work on oil painting and exhibit our project at the end of the year.
Industrial city in central Anatolia with a population of over 500,000 people. It has a great historical background. There are lots of tombs, caravans, and historical buildings in the region.
In the past, known as the City of the Scholars, Kayseri has become a center of science and culture at the same time.
It is both a center for winter sports and a cool resort in summer. There are very popular ski resorts and you can enjoy the winter by skiing at the foot of the mountain. It provides an impressive view from all around.
Kayseri is known for its delicious food, which includes traditional dishes such as mantı, a Turkish dumplings, pastırma, cured beef, and sucuk, spicy sausage.
I love my school because it is our second home. We have wonderful, qualified and friendly teachers. I am really happy to become a student of Erbosan Secondary School.